Hello everybody, today we are going to see the unboxing of Fujifilm FUJI Dri-CHEM Slide IPP. So this is the front part of the box, you can see it here. The code for it is 2450, you can see the expiry and the lot number here. You can see it is a 24 pack. Yeah, it's visible now. It's a 24 pack made in Japan product. At the top you can see it is an IVDC certified. So it's between temperature 2 to 8. At the bottom you can find it has a barcode scanner. The front view of it contains the manufacturing address, you can see it here. The Fujifilm Corporations, Tokyo, Japan. So this is the 24 pack. It's a very small pack, it's very handy. So guys, to sum it up, this is the Fujifilm FUJI Dri-CHEM Slide IPP. The code for it is 2450. You can find the expiry and the lot number here. It's a 24 pack made in Japan. You can see the IVD C certification and the temperature control details over here. So this is the FUJI Dri-CHEM Slide. Thank you.